In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make an element in header sticky in Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and then head over to your header. Once you've done that, I want you to decide which element you want to make sticky and I want you to click on it. Now, in my case, I want to make my logo sticky. So that's going to be my element of choice. And once you've done that, I want you to right click on the element and then let me just move my camera out of the way so you can see the options. I want you to click on the pin to screen button or the option, which is right at the bottom of the screen here. So click on that. And then a bunch of different options are going to appear right here. So if you're happy with where your element is positioned, you don't need to do anything here. However, if you want to slightly adjust its positioning, that will be on the screen, you can use the horizontal offset button right here. Or if you have a larger heading, you could also position your element in the middle, kind of in the top right, or even further down the page if you wanted to. In my case, I'm not going to touch it at all because I want my logo to be basically where it is. So in order to save, basically just back out of it, and then once you're happy with that, scroll down and you will see if your element is now sticky. And yeah, as you can see, this element is now sticky. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make an element in header sticky in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.